Hi everyone, in today's video I will talk about pausing, stopping and resuming tasks in Claude Cowork. So as I said, in this video I will talk about pausing, stopping and resuming tasks in Claude Cowork. In order to do it, of course, we have to open Cowork, and I will show you the difference between them. So let's maybe write a simple prompt. So create a detailed 3-step project plan and save it as a document. So this is a normal prompt. It doesn't really matter what is the topic about this project plan. This is only an example for the video, but I will show you how to first of all stop the task, basically kill the task. After pressing enter or pressing this button, you will have the button to stop the task. So I will do something like this, but we can press it here. So stop Claude respond. I can stop it, and what will happen? As you can see, it has been stopped. And what does it mean? This immediately cancels execution, and it is useful if something is going wrong in the wrong direction, or if something is taking too long. So for example, if Claude is thinking too long and you think that something could broke, you can press on this button and you can try to ask this prompt again. Maybe it will fix it. But now nothing else, of course, will run at this point, but we can actually interrupt it. So I can maybe remove that, and I can create a new task, because as you probably saw, you can write a text during the time when the Claude is thinking. So I can again ask a prompt. So create a project plan for launching a mobile app. And now, as you can see, I will press enter, and during the Claude thinking, I can type in, for example, make it shorter and focus only on marketing. And I can also press enter, and as you can see, I have now two prompts, and I can actually choose what type of mobile app are we launching. So for example, as you can see, make it shorter and focus on marketing. So we will choose marketing. What stage in the project you are currently at? So I will just type in idea, and what format you like the project plan in. So just maybe a Docx. It is fine. And now, got it. A focused marketing launch plan for a marketplace app as a Word doc. Let me read the Docx skill first. Now I will create Word document with a focused marketing launch plan. Why we have this? Let me read the Docx skill first, because in order to do it, the model has to use the skill that allows him to create this Docx document. So this is pretty important. But as you can see, we are waiting. It can take some time because as you can see, this marketing plan can be a little bit long, even though I told him to make it shorter, but by default maybe he like to create it, for example, on 10 pages. So as you can see, working on it, and it will save me the file inside of my connected folder that is connected to this Cowork, to this Claude Cowork. So And as you can see, your marketing launch plan is ready. We can view this document here, or we can actually open it in the document. It doesn't really matter, but as you can see, we have colors, we have everything, and it's not really that long, so everything went fine. And now I will show you at the end how to resume the model, because I showed you how to stop it completely with pressing that button, but you can actually resume it. It is, I think, very logical. So again, maybe I will do this prompt that I did at the beginning of the video. So let's type in create maybe not detailed, but 1-page project plan, and save it as a document. Like this, I can press now the button, and I will interrupt it at the beginning, so starting up, working on it, and now I will stop the cloud response. And now, even though I stopped this cloud response, I can resume it. So I can just write continue and save the document. And I can press enter, and it will do this 1-page project plan in a second, so we can wait for it, and that will be last thing in this video. So you see, what is the difference? Stop basically cancels everything, interrupt change direction a little bit, so we can choose it. So for example, software app and this Docx, and interrupt basically change direction a little bit, and resume continue from where you left off. So if you, for example, don't have a time and you know that you will have to choose something, like I did right now, you can stop it and then continue after a while. In that case, it is working the same as it did in the previous example. So now, first of all, it has to use the Docx skill, then he is creating a document, reading file, thinking, and so on. So we will wait for it, and then I will show you that document. And here you have the progress. As you can see, writing document generation script. And as you can see, we have again these characters. And we are waiting again, same as in the previous examples. We have the how many characters we are using, and after the writing will be finished, the model will move to the second step, which is save document to workspace folder. Here we have the instruction. Instructions contains this thing, this prompt that I wrote here, and here we have the context. The context is Docx skill. Why Docx skill? Why? Because of course we are creating a Docx Docx document. So thinking, editing file, and now we have the software project plan Docx right here, so we are almost at the finish. As you can see, this task has been finished, and now the progress is done. So everything, your project plan is ready, and this is the same thing as we had it before. So even though I stopped it, I could resume it, and I could basically finish to creating my project plan. Of course, you can open it, because I asked the model to create 1-page project plan. Before we had the 3-page project plan. Right now, if I review it, As you can see, we have only one page, so everything going fine. So this is the difference between stopping, interrupting, and resuming task in Claude Cowork. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.